Madayo na adlaw mga kalumon, ako dahil sa dinhi. Today is June 27 and it's Saturday. And it's my birthday. My 40th birthday mga kalumon. I'm old na. But it's okay. Life is beautiful. No matter how life treats us, life still is beautiful. So we should always be thankful, be grateful na allow tani God to enjoy life, to experience life. Because life is really beautiful. It may be hard, no, the challenges atong life, but still, ang pagyapon ta ni Lord, capability and abilities to enjoy the life that can trust us. So, challenges may be there, sadness, loneliness may be there, but it's just there. At talaga po na palampasan ang mga problema because God will never allow us to suffer, to be lonely and to be sad. So, kapit lang ta, have faith and always pray to God. Be thankful sa life na gihatag ni Lord sa ato. Always be happy, enjoy, and be thankful kay God. Okay? I started my day here sa Redemptorist. Nag-church ko, light candle, nag-attend mass, and praying. Praying as always to God to give us a healthy, happy, and long life. And that's my wish also for all of us, no? A peaceful environment, a peaceful nation, a happy life, and healthy life. Okay? So, I will just spend the rest of the day in a simplest way, a meaningful way. Hindi man kayo important ang dapat what important is if you have to spend it meaningfully sa imong loved ones, just be happy and thankful. So after mass, nagbaktas ko kay sayo pa man, so di pa init, baktas ata. And while walking, nakita na ako yung luha. Makasana all na lang pa. My favorite. Inom ko coffee. Ew, so small. Ang liit, cute. Coffee to. Especially made for you. Very cute, especially made for me because it's my birthday. Since I am cute, so cute din na lalagyan. Very cute. My partner made this one for me, so cute. Cute because I'm cute. My partner don't eat breakfast, but since it's my birthday, so sasamahan niya ako. Ang ganda no? Ganda. So we are having our breakfast here at Densha because naman siya work. So advance breakfast birthday. Mga kalumo, let's eat. I drink pala because this is coffee when we have Aros Caldo. Her favorite. My favorite is Dunkin' Donuts. She also bought this one for me since I love hot choco. Nag-coffee na ako kay Gimon ako niya. And tokwas baboy. But sadly, I don't eat tokwas. Later na may order breakfast too. But we still have to wait for your order. So, stand by on to guys. So, mauto after breakfast, nisakay na kong jeep. Nag-jeep lang ko mga kalumon kay what ay sakyanan. Well, it's gwapo mampod na mag-commute. Hayahay. So, when I got home, I had my lunch, my simple lunch with my family. My sister, the sister, I love my sister with ate, love, akong pinsan and mama baby, the sister of mommy. We just had a simple lunch. Simple but yummy, treated by my sister. And the cake was also given by my sister. Thank you, te. Let's eat the cake! So after lunch, we visited our daddy and mommy sa ilahang place. Siyempre, diligid pwede na dilipisitahon atong pinalanggang amahan ng inaan. Our parents na very dear and special sa ato. And syempre, di gid pwede po na dili nato pakaunon atong mga bebes, si Jaco, Nova, and Ellie. Pakaunon po nato sila kay they are family. Dili pwede na dili sila pakaunon. Celebrating with me on my special day, si Jaco, Nova, and Ellie. Our bebes, our lovelies. Okay, ang ako anak ni abot karon lang gyud kay nauman siya OJT. So karon lang mi nakita.
Happy birthday.
I love you. My only son ni siya, my only son. Pag-alis ka ngayon. Oh, di ba? Gwapong kasi mana sa mother. And my dinner is chop suey, grilled fish, di pagareta, kinilaw. That's my dinner, all sponsored by Tanan. Thank you, Lord, for this day. And my dinner. Following day, gitreat na po ko sa akong partner. Dito ni sa Cafe Uno. Diri na siya sa waterfront station. Gitreat ko niya o buffet lunch. I thought naman akong birthday. This is an extension pa pala sa akong birthday. Thank you so much. Ito, okay, our food. Excited. Highly recommend it. I'm so full. Thank you so much for the eating and everything. I am so full.